But nothing in this world that I like more than checks. Money. All I really wanna see is the money.
I know y'all like, girl, didn't you just upload a brow routine? Yeah, I did not like the quality of that, so I'm going to delete that. So going in with my BK Beauty Cosmetics pomade, her brush that comes with it is very dense, so you will get a sharper brow. But on days I want a soft, natural brow, I'll use a softer brush. So for the folks that unsculpted brows in style, this is all about the pomade today and what I like to do. So I went along the bottom and outline and just pushed the pomade up into those hairs and doing the same thing on top and just connecting the tails. Now on my brows, I don't have tails and my eyebrow hair is thin. So this is the part where you want to make your tail as thick as you want it to be. So her brush comes with a spoolie and you all use those spoolies to its advantage, like getting that gradient effect in the front and brushing the hair up to mix with the pomade, to blend with the pomade. So over here, I wanted my tails kind of thicker today. So this is where you will go in and pack in your product. And with that Sigma E15 flat definer brush, which I'm gonna be honest, for this part, I use any brush. This one was just near me. And we're going to carve out, and this is my NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop Concealer in Golden Honey. It's the perfect shade and perfect consistency because it's a matte concealer. I like to use concealers that I can pull down on the brow, on the lid to eventually do my eye look. So that's why I went with this one. But use whatever one you have, okay? So I like to define up in that arch and keep it really clean because I'm hooded eyes. And that way I carve all the way open. Now on this top part, if you're not a blender, that's okay. Don't go in with concealer like I did. Go in with your foundation shade. That way you eliminate the halo brow effect. And this LA Colors Brow Mascara in dark brown, $1 for Family Dollar. I've been using that since my LA Colors video. So under here, it kind of got smudged a little bit because I need my eyebrows waxed, but that's okay. That's what your concealer is for. My mom was calling to wish me a happy birthday, so my brows smudged a little bit. So I'm going back and cleaning it up because I need them waxed, but that's what the concealer is for. So going back and just fading it out a little bit more. I also decided I wanted my tail a little bit thick, so you can adjust it to your liking. And her product is very good for that. So y'all make sure y'all hit her on IG. I'm going to link it below. And just going back and getting that gradient effect and do your brows to your liking, okay? I've seen a throwback picture of Aretha Franklin where she rocked sculpted brows. So whether it's in style, out of style, I don't know who's the messiah who says what's in style, but you do how you feel. And my brows sometimes changed a lot because brows are sisters and not twins, okay?